Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are watching all the videos, studying well for your preparing well for your exams. Now, in the previous video, you must have seen that I have shown you I've given you a general idea about how the human respiration is taking place, how is it happening in human beings specifically. There is a human excretory system which involves 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, 1 urinary bladder and 1 urethra, held by 2 sphincter muscles which are helping in the opening and the closing of these openings. So now in this video guys, we will be studying about the internal structure of the kidney. How is the structure present and how is the structure designed so that that process can effectively take place inside your body. First of all, let us study about a hormone called as ADH hormone, called as the adenocorticotrophin hormone. This hormone is also called as the vasopressin. This hormone is mainly responsible in summers. You must have seen that your urine which you eliminate is a bit of yellowish in color as compared to in winters. Why? Because there is a large amount of salt content. There is less water and there is salt. Why is there is less water? Because in summers your body requires more water, so it tends to eliminate out less water. But in winters your body does not require more amount of water. Sweating is less, right? But in summers, what about sweating? Sweating is more. So in that case, the ADH hormone, that is the adenocorticotrophin or vasopressin hormone, there are 2 names for this hormone, ADH or vasopressin. These 2 hormones are helping in the process of telling the kidneys or telling the neurons to release less fluid or to release more fluid in order to save water or in order to eliminate out more water from your body, right? So this hormone is mainly responsible in summers. It tells the body to absorb more and more water and to eliminate out less water. But in winters it tells the kidneys, it commands the kidneys to release more and more water, because at that point of time in winters you don't require enough water. So now let's come to the structure of the kidney. Our kidneys are 2 in number. They are bean shaped, reddish brown in color, just like a rajma. You must have seen a kidney bean. You all eat kidney beans. So in the same manner, आपने देखा होगा when there is a small rajma like structure on your home, inside your body there is a small structure this much in size of kidney. Now kidney is a bean shaped or a kidney bean shaped structure, and it is dark reddish in color, and it is almost 2 in number. You must have heard about what happens to the kidneys. किडनीज़ का क्या होता है बेटा, जब किडनीज़ में एक किडनी फंक्शन नहीं करती देन काम चल जाता है. बट अगर दोनों ही किडनीज फंक्शन नहीं करती है देन द प्रॉब्लम अराइज तब भी होती है, बट देयर इज अ लेस अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. इट्स ओके, यू कैन मैनेज इट. बट व्हेन बोथ द किडनीज स्टॉप फंक्शनिंग, व्हाट हैपेंस इन दैट केस? You have to go for dialysis. We will be studying dialysis also, but first let us study about the structure of the kidney. In this kidney, what is happening? In this kidney, inside the kidney there are small pyramid-like structures. These pyramid-like structures are called as the renal pyramids. In this renal pyramids, what is happening? Inside this renal pyramid there are small tiny structures called as the nephrons. Nephrons start like this and they are somewhat like this. This is the structure of a nephron, and it goes on inside it. So inside this there are many nephrons present inside this, and kidney is mainly divided into 2 parts: the renal cortex and the renal medulla. Renal medulla is the inner part and renal cortex is the outer part. This is the outer part and this is the inner part, right? So what is happening inside the inner part? There are nephrons present, and these nephrons are known as the filtering units of the kidneys. Nephrons, they are known as filtering units of kidney. Now these nephrons, what are they doing? These nephrons are filtering the urine, sending the urine to the minor calyx. There is an opening which is called as the minor calyx. This minor calyx collects all of it and sends it to this part which is called as the major calyx, and through the major calyx, what is happening? Through the renal pelvis, it goes out to the ureter, and then the process is same from the kidney to ureters to urinary bladder to urethra to external environment. So this is happening inside your structure of the kidney. Mainly your structure is divided into two parts, the calyx and the medulla. The cortex and the medulla. The medulla is the inner part and the cortex is the outer part. Full name is renal medulla and renal cortex. This is how the filtering process is happening, and I hope you guys like this video. In the next video we will be sharing about how in the kidneys the nephrons are able to do their function properly, effectively, and how is the ADH hormone informing them what to do and when to do, right? So subscribe to my channel, guys, and like this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay tuned until the next video, guys. Keep watching.